What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now in today's video, oh my god, the house is buzzing, the dogs are barking because we're getting a new baby today. And I know you guys saw the title and you were like, what? Yes, I was going to get one puppy, but we're in quarantine and I really am ready for two dogs. So today, not only are you meeting my new daughter, but I have a new son as well, and there is a really cool connection to one of the other dogs that is very emotional. I'm so excited. So the new babies are actually going to be here in like 20 minutes. So we're getting their nursery ready. We have a whole dog area, and Diva, Delicious, Drama, and Da Vinci are ready. Now that we're all in quarantine, everything is still on lockdown. Diva, come here, boy. Look it, boy, look. Oh. I thought it was a perfect time to become a new mommy again. I wanted a new puppy after Da Vinci, and then after so much tragedy that happened last year, losing Diamond and Daddy, my heart was not ready at all. But I'm really ready, and I'm not necessarily healed by any means. I do miss them every single day, but my heart is ready for some new babies, for some new love, and to expand the Pomeranian Palace. So I'm excited because we'll talk about it in a second, but today is going to be really special. I'm so excited for the 4 babies to meet their new siblings. It is going to be iconic. Are you ready, Vinci? But yeah, so let's get this house ready and get ready for the new children. Babies, what's going on? Oh my god. Okay, we got some new water dishes, some more new beds. Yes, Drama! A lot of excitement's happening. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready. Of course, my new kids can't make me looking up. So let me finish glam and then we're gonna finish getting their room together. Are you guys ready? Yes! Drama, are you ready for your brother and sister, honey? Oh, she's ready. Alright, so we're gonna get this room ready. This is going to be our dog nursery. There is a lot of space. Hong Kong. Yeah. This is bigger than my old apartment.
A lot of space.
So we're gonna look at Vinci. I know, the new puppies cannot get your stuff, dude, so we gotta move the princess bed out. Look at all their toys. They have more toys than I do. We're gonna, hi bears. We're gonna move all their babies into another area because the new babies will have their own toys until you're all ready to share. So we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning, but the room is basically ready. It has fresh air, a lot of sunlight, and a lot of darkness can be when the curtains are closed. So I think this is the perfect spot for the new babies. By the way, are you guys dying to know their names? Because you know they're already picked out. Da Vinci, should we tell them? Delicious. Should we tell them their names? Not yet? Okay, let's get this room ready. All right, bears, I gotta move all your babies.
Lock that.
Come on, new crate. I might have to powder coat paint or Diva.
That's what I was thinking.
Hey, Lishy, I gotta grab these 2 beds, dude. Okay? We're gonna move them. These are yours. Look at Vinci. Delicious. Hey, Delicious, come here, boy. I put your bed right here. Come check it out. He's like, I don't care. I wanna see what y'all are doing over there. Look at Diva in the pink crate. Hi, Diva. He loves it in there. By the way, it's also Diva's birthday, April 11th. Hi. Which if you're watching this, it just passed. Happy birthday to everyone that has the same birthday. Diva is 11 on April 11th. It's so cool. Are you sure you don't want to pass any down to your new brother and sister, or do you want them all? Oh, Vinci wants them all? Drama, do you want all your babies? Even the squid? We gotta pass a few of them down. What about the tombstone, honey? What about the tombstone? Vinci wants them all. Come here, you big baby. All right, we got the crates. Now we're gonna have to move this bed together.
All right.
These babies are not gonna. The new puppies need to be trained, and obviously they'd like probably shred this apart. Yeah.
All right. No,
Show them this one. Okay. So we've kind of decorated in here. We have some amazing fan art of the dogs. Look at someone did this beautiful painting of Diamond. So cool. All right, so we got new beds for the puppies. We got a bunch of new toys. Oh my God, I'm so ready. Okay, I think they're like 20 minutes away. Be right back. Oh my, they're 5 minutes away! Oh my God, we need to hurry up. Okay.
What do we need to do, Brian?
Well, I mean, the room's already prepped. I already cleaned it. I'm just being funny. Like, I threw all these toys in here.
I just want to lick.
Last night for, I know we do snow angels. So the room is clean, it's prepped, it's disinfected, it's corona free, but I need all these toys.
To be together.
Yeah, oh my god.
This is so fun.
I want to leave a few for the babies, but like all the
How many
main
toys?
Yeah, we're gonna take these back. Colin, they're 5 minutes away. I don't even know where to put all these toys. That was the toy room.
Yeah,
The dogs like all felt disrespected. Hey bears, I'm moving all your babies.
we should just fill up this hole in the middle of the corner.
Hey Linz, look. The big dude.
There's so many toys.
Yes.
I can literally sleep here so comfortably.
Right? She's in line at the gate. Come on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so the babies are 5 minutes away. Now, there's a really special connection because the girl that we're getting, her father is Daddy's brother. And it's so emotional for me, and it's so beautiful because I feel like I get a piece of his history or his legacy. So when Daddy was born, his mom gave birth to two boys and a girl, and of course I got Daddy. Someone else in California has the daughter. So the new baby girl, her father is Daddy's brother, which is so special to me. Oh hi, are you guys excited? And I've been through so much last year that when I found this out, I was like, because there's been moments of like, I never want a new dog again. So I wasn't sure if I ever even wanted a new dog again, you know, let alone two, but I am so ready. My heart is really ready. And even though I've had a lot of turmoil, I really am ready to be surrounded by some more love. And I just love puppies. I love watching them grow. I love being a mom. I'm ready. This house is ready. And I'm so excited for them to get here. So once I introduce them to the other dogs and they get settled, should I tell everyone their names now? No, we gotta wait a few more seconds. You guys gotta see what they look like. And then when you see the names, you're gonna be like, oh, but I've had them picked out for literally over a year. Like, that's how crazy I am. I think I have like the next 20 dogs planned. And this house can definitely hold them. So, the new infants are almost here. Let's go say hi. Let's come here, boy. Come on, Dee. I know, we're figuring it out, big man. It's a new world. Okay. And the babies told me that I could give them these. They're gonna have too many beds and I don't know what to do with them. Look at the bears. What are we doing, dudes? Oh my god, the babies are here. The babies are here. The babies are here. I can't believe, by the way, that this is my 7th and 8th dog. Like, this is so surreal. Look at that. Hi, how was your journey, honey? Oh, are you dying, Boom? Hi guys, how was your journey? Oh, come on, come in. Come into your new home. And look at these infants. Come on. Come on, babies. Oh my god, look at this little lady. Hi, Angel. Hi, honey. Oh. Hi. You look just like Daddy when he was a baby. He's so special. Hi, little lady. You have He is so sweet. Hi, bear.
It's so
This is ready to meet him. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. They're getting settled and they're playing a lot. And I am so excited. I'm freaking out because this little lady looks exactly like Daddy did as a baby. It's tripping me out. I'm gonna throw up a picture here. I'm shook. But I wanna announce to you guys their names. Oh my God. So this little lady, her name is Dominatrix. Yes, she is a strong wolf sable Pomeranian and she is the best. And this beautiful chocolate tan, his name is Dessert. Yes, honey. Dessert is a boy and Dominatrix is a little lady and they are the new additions to our family. Hi. Look at Dessert Lynn. He's that dude. He's that little man. Hi. Hi. He is so beautiful. Oh my God. And the fact that he has the same mom as Da Vinci is so precious. Oh, my little man head. Hi. I love like finding out their personalities kind of like on the first hour that you meet them. I like to get them settled and then I immediately like to introduce them to the other dogs so they know like, hey, this is your new home, but there's also, you got some siblings.
We were here first.
Yeah. Dommy Lynn.
So you don't ever know how big they're gonna get, right?
No,
With
you
Poms?
never know, yeah. All
Wow.
different sizes. Like Delicious and Drama are kind of similar and then Vinci's a little smaller.
Dessert. Oh my
Dessert
God.
and Dominatrix Lynn. Hi, you little bear. Yes.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
The dogs are going crazy outside.
Yeah. So my 4 kids are going nuts outside. I need to go let them in. Oh, look at, oh my God, look at Dominatrix. Look at. Say hi to the gate first before we're gonna open. Look. Come here, big girl. Come on, Drama. Come on, mommy. Yeah, my big lady. Come on. I'm gonna let you in first. Come on. Hey, you guys, this is Drama Lynn. Hey, Drama. Look. Dommy wants to say hi. Here, let's move the gates. Come on, let's just do it. Come here. Look at Drama. Let's go. Scared, you guys. Look. Come on. Oh, Diva, it's your new sister, honey. Look, this is what he does every time. He's like, I don't know. Look. This is your brother, Vince. It's your brother. Vinci, Dessert, come here. Vinci, this is your brother, dude. Look. You guys, look at Vince. Look at you guys have the same eyebrow stylist. It's okay, Vince. Diva's smiling. Good man. This is your sister, Sleepy. Come on. I saw that tail starting to wag. Drama, you're not the only lady in the house, girl.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Yes, in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Yes, in time you came and I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky,
Okay, you guys, we moved the gate closer. We wanted them to have a just a more secure area. We're gonna put blankets all over the floor since it is a hard floor, and we are putting under, what are they called, Colin? Whelping?
Whelping mats.
Whelping mats, yes. So they're gonna have full padding and security here. Look at all the babies. Look at Dessert sleeping. He's right here, Licious. Delicious has been a little apprehensive. Hi, right there. Drama, come here, sweetie. Come here. Today they're not listening. They're like, no, ma'am. Like they're just very like, oh, look at this. Look at Dominatrix, you guys. She's so precious. Vinci, come here and look at her. They were playing a lot. So newborn puppies, they play a lot, they sleep a lot, they eat a lot. So over the next few months, of course, we're gonna be filming their journey. They're gonna be growing up with us in this house. I can't wait to see how they look when they grow up. That's one of my favorite things. And Drama, you're gonna help me be a mommy, honey. Okay. Now, every time that I get a new puppy, I always make sure to spend a lot of time and a lot of love with the other dogs because they can get jealous. So you do want to make sure that that doesn't happen. So gotta give a lot of love out. Hi, honey. So Dominatrix and Dessert are gonna have a little nap time. And I can't wait for you guys to follow the journey of them being infants into adults. Look at Diva. Diva, come here. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I'm on cloud 9. I can't stop smiling. It's been a crazy 2020, so I definitely was ready for this new chapter. And oh, hi. Did she say hi? I don't know, I'm just so excited, and it's just been a really insane month. While we sat here over the last few hours, California announced that the stay-at-home order is now moved to May 15th. Which is so crazy. So you guys know where I will be in this room and in this house filming. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.